Hello everyone, this is Felicia with LovegLew Creations, and in this tutorial I want to share a quick tip on what I do to make sure that the back of my wreath protects my customer's door. Check this out.
So I use felt material. I have a variety of colors to try to match the back of my wreath. I like the felt better because it gives a much softer padding to protect the door. So looking at the back of the wreath, you can see that there are some wires exposed, and so what I do is I cut down any picks that may be sticking out. And next I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of felt that I feel is the right size to cover the wires or any picks that may be sticking out, and we just put some glue on it. From there we're going to apply the felt to the exposed wire, and you want to make sure you smush it in really good into the grapevine. That way you make sure it's covering that wire really well, and it's definitely within the grapevine itself, so it sticks really well. Alright, so I've gone all the way around the wreath to make sure that all exposed wires have been covered. Say hi, Bella! Alright, so not only will my customer have a beautiful wreath on their door, but it will also be protected from scratches.